Greetings from the Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. Today we'll discuss what is the difference between data management versus clinical data management. So, data management is a process of collecting, organizing, storing, and maintaining data in a systemic and a structured manner, while clinical data management is a specialized branch of data management that focuses specifically on the management of data in clinical trials and research studies. The main objective of clinical data management is to ensure integrity, accuracy, reliability of clinical data, compliance with regulatory requirement. So when you apply in for job, you have to apply for the ones that specify clinical data management and not just data management. For more such informative videos, visit www.finennessinstitute.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.